Hello friends, today we are going to do chapter 6 Google Sheets Data Analysis. Brain Teasers. I received a cryptic message from scientists on Horizon. Help me complete the sentences to decrypt the message. Dash helps us to get information and make important decisions about data. Data analysis. Second, the chart that looks like a circle is called dash. Pie chart. Third, dash means looking at data graphically. Data visualization. Fourth, dash is a technique to show or hide rows or columns depending on what we want to see in the data. Fifth, if the rectangles are horizontal in a chart, we call it a dash bar. Part B. Find the truth. Scientists are trapped in a dangerous alien world and need our help. Help us mark the sentences as T true or false, F to unlock the rocket's entrance and get there. First, column numbering begins with 1. False. Second, every formula starts with a oblique sign. False. Third, we can filter specific values in a spreadsheet. True. Fourth, a label can only be a row header. False. We can freeze only columns in a spreadsheet. False. Part C. Tick the correct answer. First, which of the following is not a filtering technique? Pie chart. Second, which of the following cannot be filtered in a spreadsheet? None. Third, which of the following is a part of data visualization? All of these. Pie chart, column chart and bar graph. Fourth, which feature helps us change the setup to chart in sheets? Chart editor. Fifth, which of the following is used to freeze rows in a sheets? View menu. Part D. Match me. Column chart. Vertical rectangles. Sorting. Filtering data. Ungroup option. View. Graphical manner. Data visualization. Group data. Grouping. Part E. Answer in detail. Question number 1. What is data analysis and data visualization? Data analysis is using data to get useful information and make important decisions using that data. Data visualization means looking at data in a graphical manner rather than just numbers and text. There are different ways to visualize data in sheets. Question number 2. What is data filtering? Write the steps to filter data. Answer. Filtering data means looking at only the information we want to look at and hiding everything else. To filter data in sheets, first select all the cells in the data you want to filter. Click on Data in the menu and select Create a Filter. This will add a filter to all the column headers. Click on any filter icon for a common header. Question number 3. List the step to freeze a column and mention its benefit. Answer. First, select the column up to which all the columns will be frozen. Click on View in the menu and select Freeze. Choose up to column Y. Normally, we freeze the first column in sheets because they are the headers. Benefit: Sheets gives us a direct option to freeze one row and column and also two rows and column. Question number 4. Differentiate between grouping and filtering. Grouping is a technique to show and hide rows or columns depending on whether you want to see them in the data. Filtering means looking at only the information you want to look at and hiding everything else. Question number 5. How are bar graphs different from pie charts? Answer: Pie chart versus bar graph. It is a type of chart that is in the form of a circle. Bar graph. The data is represented as blocks of rectangles. Second, the circle is divided into small portions that look like the slices of a pizza. Bar graph. The height of the rectangles corresponds to the value. Third, pie chart is useful if we want to compare different options and identify the best one. Bar graph is used to see which item has the highest value. Fourth, pie chart tells us the area occupied by every item in the data as a whole in terms of percentage. Fourth, bar graphs are useful if we want to compare different items. Fifth, pie charts are useful when looking at the majority and minority. Fifth, however, column charts or bar graph are useful if we want to compare the same item over a period of time. Thank you, friends.